Easy way to send snaps from camera roll as normal snaps full guide. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Without wasting any time, I'm already on Snapchat. You should open Snapchat too. On the right-hand side, you'll see a down arrow icon. Press on that. Now in this list, you'll see Director Mode. Guys, Director Mode in Snapchat is a special camera mode. It gives you more tools like green screen, dual camera, and editing options to make creative and professional style videos. Go into that. Now in this list, you'll see Import Media. Import Media lets you add photos or videos from your phone's gallery into Snapchat. You can use them in stories, snaps, or edit them with filters and text before sharing. Press on it. It will now take you to your gallery. Choose the image you want to send as a snap. Then press on Yes at the bottom. Next, press on Preview. Preview lets you see your snap or video before you send or post it. It helps you check if everything looks good or if you want to edit or redo it. Finally, press on Send To. Now you can send it to whoever you want. If you are able to send snaps from camera roll as normal snaps, make sure to comment done. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.